So right here I have listed our vowels because today we're going to be learning about long vowels. As you saw in our video, a long vowel is a vowel that expresses its name as its sound. So what that means is that the name of the vowel becomes its sound. So the name of this vowel is A. The sound it would make is A. The name of this vowel is E. The sound it would make is E. I, O, U. Simply, their names become the sound they make when we're reading. So let's move on to ways we could get this. So a way we could get this is through teams. So here I have, let's say we have some word, and it's consonant, A-E, consonant. So here are my two vowels. There's two vowels going a walking. And the first one, the A, is doing the talking. So that sound that it would express is A. Two vowels walking, the first one talks. Two vowels going to walking for EA. The first one does the talking. For I, let's say we have a word that's IA. I have some word that has IA in the middle of it, and they're my team. They're my two vowels that are going and walking. Highlight both of them. Two vowels going and walking. You could see that. Who's doing the talking? IA. I. So the sound that we would make here is I. The sound that we would make in this, we have OA, and then some other letter. So two vowels going to walking. We highlight it in yellow. The first one does the talking. You're going to see, and you already saw this in their video, you're going to see some examples in a little bit. So right here I already have some examples. A word that we used before was team. So if two vowels are going in here, my two vowels are E and A, which I will highlight in yellow. And then my first vowel is doing the talking. So the E is talking. So that means the sound that I get from those two vowels is E. So team. Barely hear that A. Team. Then E. Right here I have AI. So I have two vowels going and walking. They're in yellow. And the first one's doing the talking. So that means my A is in orange. Making this rain. Rain. The sound that we hear is A. Rain. For this word, we have O and A as my vowels. We have two vowels going and walking. And who's doing the talking? That O. So, highlighted in orange, that would be boat. Boat. You hear that O? So let's do one example of E, A, and O. Another example. So for E, let's do this word. So I'm going to highlight my team. Two vowels going a walking. See my team there. There's my team. Who's doing the talking? The E. So our word is rear. Rear. Another example with A is oh, that moved up. I didn't mean it to. So tail. T-A-I-L. So two vowels going to walking. There's my two vowels. Oh. Here's my two vowels. first one's doing the talking. Let's do another one for O. R-O-A-S-T. So R-O-A-S-T. We have O-A as our vowels going to walk in, our only two vowels in our sentence, in our word, sorry. O-A going to walk in. Who's doing the talking? Oh, roast. So, long E, team. Long A, rain. Long O, boat. Long E again, rear. Long A again, tail. And long O again, roast. As you could see, the examples that we listed are teams, so two vowels are going to walk in. The first one does the talking. That is a perfect way to remember it. Another way that we're going to learn long vowels is with silent E. So silent E means that we have some word, and it's consonant. Let's say vowel A, short A right now. So it's just A, and then you add that E at the end, and it becomes A. That A became the long vowel. Funny word. Let's say consonant. Nope. Consonant. E. Consonant. Silent E. Again, that silent E is going to make the first E long. So the E at the end, right here, is silent. That's why it's called a silent E. We don't express it. We do not say it. So you're going to see it with every vowel. O. Make the O sound. This would make the I sound. Once I add the E, because it doesn't say it before, and once I add the U, it's just A. Add that E, it becomes U. So let's list some examples for these. Let me just title this so you know where I'm standing. Oops. Example. So, an example of this with A, let's do bear. Silent E, we'll highlight it in red. So our silent E is going to make this long in blue. A way that I like to remember this is super E. Our super E is giving all of its superpowers to A, making it a long A so we could hear it, and we no longer hear E because it's not super. So if we have a super E in the word, this is red, in the word, okay, it looks like we're going to have to, yeah, I'll make it all black at the end so you know where I am. So this word, T-O-R-E, super E, is giving all of its powers to O. Computer's being a little weird. Making it tor. Let's do this with I, the word like, that for some reason is highlighting all in red. Don't worry, we'll make it all black. Super E. Gives all its powers to I. For these, I'll only do one example of each, because I could do one example of each for these. Like, you hear that I? Let's do this for E. Let's do it. Like the word these. Super E. See that E at the end? That's your first clue. My computer's being crazy. Then you see another vowel before it. That's your second clue. We have a super E making this these. And finally, let's do you. So a word like this one. Oh my goodness. Okay. Or like this, you have a super E, giving all of its powers to that first vowel in front of it, making this U, cube. So now these words with the super E, the silent E at the end, become bear. It's not bar. If you eliminate that E, it becomes bar. If you cover that with your finger, it's a different word. Tor, like, not lick, like, these, not this, these, and cube. You hear that U. It's not cub. Again, if you cover that E with your finger, you'll hear cub. So this is our lesson, our long vowel presentation. I have a few activities listed on Edmodo for you to follow. Sorry about my computer being a little funky. It was being super weird today, and I really do apologize. Any questions, emails, any questions, shoot me an email. Enjoy the rest of your day.